Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. In this episode, we'll talk about the 4.2 Tdi V8 engine from the Volkswagen SKODA AUDI seat group. So to the point. The 4.2 Tdi V8 engine, primarily found in high-end Audi models like the A8, A7, later models, Q7, and sometimes in the Volkswagen Touareg, represents the pinnacle of diesel luxury and performance for its era. It's a powerful and refined engine, but as with any complex V8, especially a diesel, it comes with its own set of characteristics and potential issues. General opinions: powerful and refined. Owners generally praise the 4.2 Tdi for its immense power and torque, delivering effortless acceleration and high-speed cruising ability. The V8 configuration ensures a smooth and quiet operation, especially when compared to four-cylinder diesels. It provides a luxurious driving experience. Expensive to run and maintain, this is the main caveat. While fuel consumption can be surprisingly good for a large V8, the sheer size and complexity of the engine mean that any repairs can be very costly, often requiring specialized labor and expensive parts. It's not an engine for those on a tight budget. Relatively robust, compared to some other large diesels compared to some earlier problematic V6 diesels, like the 2.5 Tdi V6, the 4.2 Tdi is generally considered more robust. However, it's still susceptible to specific high mileage wear and complex system failures. Advantages: exceptional power and torque, delivers exhilarating performance, with outputs ranging from over 300 HP to nearly 400 HP and massive torque figures, 700 to 850 Nm, making heavy vehicles feel nimble. Smoothness and refinement. The V8 configuration offers inherent balance, resulting in very smooth and quiet operation, contributing significantly to a premium driving experience. Strong towing capability. The abundant torque makes it an excellent choice for towing heavy loads. Long-distance cruiser. Its power, refinement, and reasonable highway fuel economy make it ideal for long journeys. Generally reliable, if well-maintained with strict adherence to service schedules and the use of correct fluids, these engines can be very durable. Disadvantages: faults and breakdowns commonly reported. Despite its robustness, the 4.2 Tdi has several known weak points that can lead to expensive repairs. Diesel particulate filter (DPF) clogging. Issue common in modern diesels. If the vehicle is primarily driven on short city trips, the DPF may not reach the high temperatures needed for regeneration, leading to soot buildup and clogging. Symptoms: reduced power, increased fuel consumption, DPF warning light, limp mode. Repair can often be regenerated, forced regeneration via diagnostic tool, but if severely clogged, replacement is very expensive. Turbocharger failure. Issue: the 4.2 Tdi typically has two turbochargers, one per bank. They're susceptible to failure due to insufficient lubrication, neglected oil changes, thermal stress, or simply high mileage wear. Symptoms: loss of power, excessive blue/black smoke, whining or whistling noises, increased oil consumption. Repair. Replacement is very costly due to the price of the turbos and the labor involved, often engine out or significant disassembly. Timing chain tensioner issues. Issue: the 4.2 Tdi uses a timing chain, not a belt. While generally lifetime, the hydraulic chain tensioners can wear out, leading to slack in the chain. This is often exacerbated by poor oil maintenance. Symptoms: a distinct rattling or ticking noise from the engine, especially at cold startup. In severe cases, it can lead to misfires, poor performance, or catastrophic engine failure if the chain skips or breaks. Repair: extremely expensive. While the chain itself is durable, accessing and replacing the tensioners and potentially chain/guides often requires engine removal, leading to very high labor costs. EGR valve and intake manifold carbon buildup. Issue: recirculation of exhaust gases can lead to significant carbon deposits in the EGR valve and intake manifold, restricting airflow. Symptoms: rough idling, reduced power and acceleration, increased fuel consumption, check engine light. Repair, requires cleaning or replacement of components. Oil leaks and excessive oil consumption. Issue, as engines age, various gaskets and seals, e.g., valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, turbocharger seals, can develop leaks. Some owners also report higher than average oil consumption, potentially due to worn piston rings or design characteristics, though less common than in some other VAG engines. Symptoms: visible oil spots, burning oil smell, blue smoke from exhaust, frequent need to top up oil. Repair varies depending on the source of the leak, from relatively simple gasket replacement to more complex internal engine work for consumption issues. Coolant leaks. Issue: issues with the water pump, thermostat housing, or hoses can lead to coolant leaks. Fuel consumption, approximate real-world figures. Given its size and power, the 4.2 Tdi offers surprisingly decent fuel economy, especially on the highway. Combined, 7.0 to 12 liters per 100 kilometers, approximate 22 to 29 mpg US/27 to 35 mpg UK. Depend ride in city or highway more. Actual consumption depends heavily on vehicle weight, 8 versus Q7, transmission, automatic only, quattro system, driving style, and maintenance condition. Timing. Mechanism. The 4.2 Tdi engine uses a timing chain system to synchronize the crankshaft and camshafts. This is generally considered a lifetime component by manufacturers. Replacement interval. There is typically no specified replacement interval for the timing chains in normal service, unlike timing belts. Issues. As mentioned above, the timing chain tensioners, which rely on oil pressure to maintain chain tension, are the primary potential weak point. If a rattling noise, especially at startup, indicates tensioner failure, replacement is a major, very expensive job, often requiring engine removal due to the engine's compact design and location in the engine bay. It can cost thousands of euros. Importance: while no routine replacement, any symptoms of chain noise should be investigated immediately, as a failure can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Oil. Using the correct engine oil is absolutely critical for the health and longevity of the 4.2 Tdi engine, especially given its reliance on oil pressure for timing chain tensioners and turbocharger lubrication. VW standard. The 4.2 Tdi engines, especially those with diesel particulate filters, DPF, require low SAPs, sulfate ash, phosphorus, sulfur, oil meeting the VW 507.00 specification. This is a crucial requirement to prevent premature DPF clogging. Viscosity, typically 5W30. Some later versions or specific climates might allow 0W30. Always check the owner's manual for the precise specification for your engine code. Capacity. The oil capacity is substantial, usually ranging from 8.0 to 9.5 liters, depending on the specific engine code and model. Always verify with the owner's manual. Change intervals. While long-life service intervals, up to 30,000 kilometers or 2 years, are often specified by the manufacturer with VW 507.00 oil, it is highly recommended by experts and experienced owners to shorten oil change intervals to 15,000 kilometers or annually, especially for older vehicles or those driven in stop-and-go city traffic. More frequent changes significantly prolong engine life and help prevent issues like DPF clogging, turbocharger wear, and timing chain tensioner problems. Versions, power outputs, and engine codes. The 4.2 Tdi V8 evolved over its production, with increasing power outputs and refinements. Key versions include first generation, e.g. BTR, 326 PS, 240 kilowatts, /650 Newton meters, found in early Audi A8D3 from 2005 and some VW Touareg. Second generation, e.g. CCFA, CCB, CDSB, CKDA, 340 PS, 250 kilowatts, /760 Newton meters, used in later Audi Q7, Pharrell, and VW Touareg, 7P. 351 PS, 258 kilowatts, 800 Newton meters, found in Audi A8D4 early versions. Third generation, e.g., CEC, CTDA, 385 PS, 283 kilowatts, 850 Newton meters, the most powerful variant used in later Audi A8D4 and A7 models. This version often features more advanced injection systems, piezo injectors, and twin variable geometry turbos for improved response and power. These engines were primarily fitted to Audi A8, D3, D4 generations, Audi Q7 for L generation, Audi A7, later, some specific markets, Volkswagen Touareg, first and second generations. In conclusion, the 4.2 Tdi engine offers a compelling blend of immense power, refinement, and surprising efficiency for its size. However, it is a complex and expensive engine to maintain and repair. Prospective owners should be acutely aware of its common issues: DPF, turbos, timing chain tensioners, and factor in potentially high running costs. A full, verifiable service history with adherence to strict oil change intervals using the correct VW 507.00 oil is absolutely essential for anyone considering buying a used vehicle with this impressive but demanding engine. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.